The nape of the neck is one of the most overlooked yet powerful spots on a woman's body. Unlike her lips or her hands, this area is hidden. She can't see what's happening there, which means a kiss at the back of her neck requires vulnerability and trust. That's why, when done with care, it can create an emotional impact far greater than almost any other kiss. Biologically, the neck is rich with nerve endings that connect directly to the limbic system, the part of the brain responsible for memory and emotion. That means a kiss here doesn't just register as physical touch. It creates emotional memories that last long after the kiss itself. It's why a single, intentional kiss on the nape can make her remember the feeling for years. Unfortunately, many men get this wrong. They rush. They treat the neck as a place of dominance, biting, grabbing, or moving too quickly. While that might work in movies, in real life, it often makes a woman tense. Instead of feeling cherished, she feels controlled. And intimacy should never feel like control. The secret is patience. Imagine brushing her hair aside slowly, letting your hand rest there as if asking permission. Pause. Breathe. Then, gently press your lips to the back of her neck. Not rushed, not forceful, just present. This transforms a kiss into a signal of devotion, telling her, I see you, I cherish you, I'm here to connect, not just to take. When you kiss the nape of her neck with presence and patience, you're speaking a language beyond words. You're telling her she is safe, she is valued, and she is chosen. And when a woman feels safe, she opens up emotionally and physically in ways that create deeper intimacy than passion alone ever could. The area just behind the ear is one of the body's most underestimated zones. It's where whispers happen, where secrets are shared, where laughter is soft and private. That makes it emotionally charged. It's already associated with trust and closeness. When you kiss behind her ear, you're stepping into one of the most personal spaces she reserves for connection. Touch and gentle kisses behind the ear are linked to the release of oxytocin, often called the bonding hormone. Oxytocin strengthens trust, builds emotional closeness, and even reduces stress. It's the same hormone released during hugging and cuddling, which is why a kiss here feels like safety and love, not just desire. Many men treat the ear as a place for intensity, biting too hard, being too aggressive or too loud. That usually ruins the intimacy. The area behind the ear is delicate. Too much force overwhelms instead of excites. The real power lies in subtlety and gentleness. Here's how to do it well. Start with breath. Let your lips hover near her ear, letting your warm breath tease the space behind it. Then, softly press a gentle kiss just behind her ear. If you want to heighten the intimacy, whisper something personal. Not a line, but words that make her feel chosen and valued. This is where connection grows. A kiss behind her ear is more than just a kiss. It's a message. It tells her, you are safe, you are cherished. I choose you. For men over 50, this is your advantage. Younger men often rush, but maturity brings patience. And patience lets you create intimacy she'll never forget. The inner wrist is one of the most delicate and overlooked areas on a woman's body. At first, it may not seem like an intimate spot, but that's what makes it so powerful. Its subtlety carries meaning. When you give attention here, you're showing her that intimacy isn't just about the obvious places. It's about honoring the small details. Beneath the thin skin of the wrist lies her pulse, the steady rhythm of her heart. When you touch or kiss here, you're connecting with her life force, her energy, and her emotional state. That symbolism is powerful. It says, I'm in tune with you. I feel your rhythm. I respect your essence. Research shows that gentle touch on the wrist stimulates brain areas tied to empathy and emotional awareness. This isn't a spot for lust, it's a spot for reverence. A kiss here tells her, I value you. I honor the little things. And for women, that kind of respect creates deeper intimacy than passion alone. Imagine this. You're holding her hand during conversation. You pause, gently turn her palm upward, and slowly bring her wrist toward your lips. You press a soft, patient kiss there. Not rushed, not forceful, just present. That single kiss tells her she's not just desired, she's respected. When you honor the inner wrist, you're creating more than a fleeting spark. You're building trust. Women crave presence just as much as passion. A wrist kiss tells her, I notice you. I cherish you. I'm here with you now. That kind of intimacy lingers in her memory long after the moment ends. Some areas of a woman's body hold deep intimacy, but they also hold vulnerability. The collarbone, inside of the elbow, stomach, hips, even her lower back. These places are not about raw desire alone. They are about safety and acceptance. That's why they're considered risky. Approach them too fast, and you break trust. Approach them with patience, and you unlock intimacy she'll never forget. The collarbone sits close to her heart, both physically and symbolically. A slow kiss here isn't about lust. It's about reverence. It tells her, I admire your essence. I honor who you are. Gentle devotion at her collarbone feels protective and deeply intimate, sparking trust and affection. The inside of her elbow is delicate, often hidden, and incredibly sensitive. Most men never think to touch it, which makes it all the more powerful when you do. A soft kiss here feels surprising, tender, and intimate. The kind of touch that says, I notice the little things no one else sees. Many women feel self-conscious about their stomach or hips. That's why this area carries risk, but also incredible reward. When you kiss her stomach or hip bones with patience and tenderness, you're saying, I love every part of you, even the ones you try to hide. That message creates a safety deeper than passion. Sometimes the most powerful intimacy doesn't come from a kiss at all. Placing your hand gently on her lower back communicates something profound. I've got you. You don't have to carry everything alone. This activates her nervous system's calming response, helping her feel safe enough to lean in and surrender emotionally. Intimacy isn't built on grand moments alone. It's in the quiet gestures, a kiss on her neck, a whisper behind her ear, a soft kiss on her wrist, or the patient touch on vulnerable areas. These are the details most men overlook, but they are the ones women remember. Each kiss is more than physical. The neck speaks to memory. The ear awakens bonding hormones. The wrist symbolizes reverence. The collarbone, hips, and lower back represent safety and trust. Together, they send one unified message. You are safe, cherished, and chosen. Younger men often rush, chasing performance. But as a man over 50, your advantage is patience, presence, and maturity. These qualities transform intimacy from a quick spark into a deep fire that lasts. This is what makes your touch unforgettable. If this opened your eyes, don't stop here. Join the Dr. Mia Grant Men's Health Revolution community. Every week we bring practical, science-backed insights to help you live healthier, more confident, and more connected in your relationships. Like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe so you never miss what's next. Because in the end, intimacy isn't about speed. It's about presence. It's about patience. It's about making her feel safe, desired, and deeply understood. And when you master that, you don't just create passion, you create memories that last a lifetime.